Hi, this is Dr. Ray Jen. This is our second video regarding the Common Core. And on our last video, we talked about the anchor standards and we talked about the reading literature standards. Again, we will begin with the anchor standards for reading, English language arts reading. And if you look at the anchor standard number one, it is read closely to determine what the text says explicitly and to make logical inferences from it. Cite specific textual evidence when writing or speaking to support conclusions drawn from the text. So that is what reading standard number one for reading is all about. However, when we go to the informational text link and we look at grade one, we see that standard one is simply ask and answer questions about key details in the text. That is perfectly grade appropriate for a first grader, and yet it answers and it speaks to the anchor standards regarding uh, the key ideas and the details of the text. And again, just to review, the the standards are divided into four key strands. That is, key ideas and details, craft and structure, integration of knowledge and ideas, range of reading and level of text complexity. So, as appropriate to grade one, it is ask and answer questions about key details in the text. If we were to advance to grade four, we will see that grade one increases in its demands of the student or the standards for the student. It refers to details and examples in a text when explaining what the text says explicitly and when drawing inferences from the text. By grade 6, students are expected to cite textual evidence to support analysis of what the text says explicitly, as well as inferences drawn from the text. And by the time we get to 9th and 10th grade, students are to cite strong and thorough textual evidence to support analysis of what the text says explicitly, as well as inferences drawn from the text. And by the time our student is a senior, they are and ready to go off into college or the work world, they are to be able to cite strong and thorough textual evidence to support analysis of what the text says explicitly, as well as inferences drawn from the text, including determining where the text leaves matters uncertain. So thus is the anchor standard. They are applied to literature, and they are also applied to informational texts, the anchor standards. From this link for informational text, we have grade level specific applications for the anchor standard number one. And that's how it is broken down from kindergarten through seniors in high school. And each of the 10 core standards are differentiated between reading literature and reading informational texts. I like what the Common Core is doing. It enables us to speak to our colleagues in whatever grade level they teach, and we can talk about the same standard, and the difference is only in the application to the maturity and to the strength of the skills that our students that we face in the grades from kindergarten through 12th grade. So this is I think this is a step in the right direction. As you get used to planning with the new standards, the Common Core standards, you should choose your appropriate grade level, the one you teach in, and then look at the standards for, and this one is for teaching informational text. If you're going to be teaching literature, look at those standards and see what it is to teach at that grade level and how it differs between teaching literature and teaching informational text. All right. Thank you very much. See you next time.